Welcome to Nursing Learners, Obstetrics and Gynecology. Question 41. A lady had an abortion during the 6th week of gestation. The developmental stage of conception during this period is known as A. Embryo, B. Fetus, C. Zygote, or D. Blastocyst. Let's read the question again. A lady had an abortion during the 6th week of gestation. The developmental stage of conception during this period is known as A. Embryo, B. Fetus, C. Zygote, or D. Blastocyst. The correct answer is A. Embryo. We have already learned the developmental stages of the fetus in question 26. Let's understand this again. Gametes, that is sperm and ovum, fertilize to form zygote. Zygote then undergoes cell division to form 2, 4, 8, and 12-celled stages, followed by a 16-celled stage called morula. Morula then further divides to form blastocyst, which then develops into an embryo and finally into a fetus. These stages of fetal development can be divided into 3 separate periods. Of these 3 periods, the first is the ovular or germinal period, which lasts from fertilization to implantation. Its duration is 0 to 2 weeks of conception or 2 to 4 weeks of gestation. The second is the embryonic period, which extends from implantation until it becomes recognizably human. Its duration is 3 to 8 weeks of conception or 5 to 10 weeks of gestation. The third is the fetal period, which begins at the end of the embryonic period and continues until birth. Its duration is from 9 weeks of conception to birth or 11 weeks of gestation to birth. Since the question asks about the developmental stage at the 6th week of gestation, which falls under the embryonic period, the correct answer is A. Embryo. Please note that the period of gestation can be obtained by adding 2 weeks to the period of conception. Conception begins at the time of the fertilization of the ovum. So, the period of conception is counted from the time of the fertilization. The period of gestation is counted from the last menstrual period, which is approximately 2 weeks before ovulation and fertilization. So, the period of gestation is equal to the period of conception plus 2 weeks. The key point to remember here is this table. Learn this thoroughly to answer the next question on this topic. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe Nursing Learners for more such videos.